The Reserve Bank Board decided not to increase interest rates 2 weeks ago, but the minutes of that meeting today made it clear it was a close call and that further hikes may be required. As they pointed out, that rates here are still lower than many comparable countries. In New Zealand, it's 5.5%, and they are having a good old-fashioned recession. The US is just above 5%, UK and Canada at 5%. And right now, the market odds of a hike in August in Australia are 28%, down from 52% a week ago. Here's a graph of the Australian cash rate under all the RBA governors since its beginning. Nugget Coombs, 1960 to 68, had a recession after 12 months, but after that it was plain sailing. The next three governors, Jock Phillips, Harry Knight and Bob Johnston, had stormy seas to navigate, and each ended up with a recession on his CV, although it was Bernie Fraser who delivered the coup de grace to the economy in 1989, after which his job mostly involved cutting rates after the 91 recession. Ian Macfarlane held the line, and his 10 years from 96 saw an average cash rate of 5.2% and no recession. Glenn Stevens had the GFC and bequeathed Philip Lowe a 1.5% cash rate. And Phil will go down in history as the governor with the lowest rates of all. On the share market, Ansell dropped 14% after an earnings downgrade, and the All Ordinaries finished a bit lower, with falls by miners and retailers, rises by banks and CSL. Stocks went up in New York and Tokyo, down in Hong Kong and Shanghai. Commodities all fell, with coal and copper down the most, and the Australian dollar was steady, just above 68 US cents. And that's finance.